my 93% of the space is occupied. Now I need to clear it up. So I will go to my close this and open here a Google Drive. I'll go to the drive. There are lots of files here, so many of them I'm not using. So I will click again, see 93% full my drive. Then I will filter the types of file. Generally videos takes lots of space, so I will select the videos, and then option 1 I will click here or move to trash. It will go here, and if I want to recover, I can recover the deleted file. This was option 1. You have to select one by one and delete. Option 1, select one by one and delete. Option 2, press Ctrl A. All the files will be selected, and then you press the delete button. So see, no files, no videos are there. So next takes a space is the photos and images. I will click photos and images, and I don't need all these files. So option 1, I will move to trash like this, or I will click here, Ctrl A. All the files will be selected. You see here, the more files are there, so I will go until the end so that one time all the files are selected. I will go more down because of the internet speed. It is coming. I will do Ctrl A. The 100 is selected. I will so you can see 600 items are selected now. मुझे जो प्रोटेक्ट करना है वो फाइल्स रखा हुआ हूँ. फिर से चेक कर लेते हैं. वीडियोस 0, फोटोज एंड इमेजेस. फोटोज एंड इमेजेस अभी भी है, तो इनको हम डिलीट करते हैं. अगेन चेक करता हूँ मैं फोटोज एंड इमेजेस. चेक अगेन. It's taking time. This is the PDF type. But you have noticed that the storage is not full, and still it's showing a 93%. So what is that? All the files are stored are here. You can see items in trash will be deleted after 30 days. So what I will do, I will empty the trash here and say delete it forever. Sometime we have to wait. It's deleting the files. Now you can see the storage size here is changing. Now it is 88%. You can see here storage is, I'm getting back my space.